Good morning, children. Okay, yesterday in previous classes we learned so many things about our family. Okay, so today we are discussing about new things from the family. Okay, children. See, children, open textbook. If you have Chrysalis textbook, you have open. See page number 5. Look at your page number 5 in your textbook. See, already in previous classes we know how we are helping to our family, how we are helping our grandparents. Already you know. Okay. See here in this big see once, big or small, people in your family care for each other. Let's know how. See here, see, she is helping her grandfather. See here, granddaughter helps her grandfather. They are crossing the road. Okay, whatever it is, whatever works they are having, what they need to help. So the granddaughter, they can help to her grandfather. Okay, children. See here, granddaughter helps her grandfather cross the road. So that is also one help. And next one, mother and father help each other in the kitchen and share housework. Here, see this picture, children. See, mother and father, they are helping each other. Okay, so they are doing their work in the houseworks. Here, see, grandmother feeds her grandson. Okay, in your family also, your grandmother feeds you, and your grandfather, sometimes grandfather and sometimes grandmother, like that. Different people helps different types of works. Like that, here also they are helping. They are feeding here. Their grandmother feeds her grandson. Okay, children. Now you have to do one activity. Already you know what are the activities you done in previous classes. So like that you have to done another activity, children. See, down you have activity 1.5. As a child, how do you care for your family? As a child, how you do care for your family? Okay. For example, you are helping your mother. Your mother is not feeling well. She is getting some sickness. So how can you help? You have to give her tablets, medicine, or you have to give her water. Like that. Okay, children. Like that, you have to help some works, or you have to give your vegetables to your mother, or you have to help your grandparents. You have to give some things to your grandparents. Like that. You have to do some works. Okay, children. Like that you have to do. So how many things you have to do in your home? You have to write on one page. Any book you have to write this, and you have to send through Chrysalis. Activity 1.5. Okay. What are the ways you are helping your family? You have to write. Okay, children. So today you have that work, activity 1.5. How can you write? What are you doing in your home? Okay. So how can you take care of your family? You have to write. How can you help? Okay, children. Okay. Some parents, they are asking, you can tell in Telugu. That's why I am speaking of Telugu. You have to understand. Okay, children. చూడండి, ఒకసారి నేను ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే కొంతమంది పేరెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ రిక్వెస్ట్ గురించి నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను. మీకు ఎప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే నేను మళ్ళీ మీకు రివైజ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ గ్రాండ్ డాటర్ ఎలా వాళ్ళ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్కి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. తను రోడ్ క్రాస్ చేయడంలో, వాళ్ళ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ క్రాస్ రోడ్ చేయడంలో అమ్మాయి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది, గ్రాండ్ డాటర్. లైక్ దట్. ఇక్కడ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా చూడండి, వాళ్ళు ఒకరికొకరు హెల్ప్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. అలాగే ఇక్కడ గ్రాండ్ సన్ గ్రాండ్ మదర్ తినిపిస్తుంది. ఇలాగే మీరు కూడా ఇంట్లో కొన్ని యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా. అటువంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏమైతే ఉంటాయో అవి మీరు ఒక పేపర్ మీద నోట్ చేసి హోంవర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? అది యాక్టివిటీ 1.5. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఒక్కొక్కసారి నేను మీకు తెలుగులో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే నాకు కాల్ చేసి అడగండి. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ సీ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్. సీ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 6. You have to open the page how I am reading in the textbook. Okay, you have to keep your finger on the textbook and you have to know that words, how I am reading that words, you have to know. See, first one, families, they are divided into the two types. Okay, family, they are divided in two types. What is that? First one, nuclear family. What is that? Nuclear family. And next one, joint family. How many types of families are divided? Two types. Nuclear family and joint family. What is the nuclear family? See children, here the other cover the postman brought is a letter from Rakesh friend Pranav. In previous classes we know Rakesh celebrating birthday. Like that, Rakesh friend Pranav also he is celebrating birthday. Okay, he lives in Assam. Pranav celebrated his birthday last week. Where he lives, Pranav? He lives in Assam. So he celebrated birthday in last week. How he is celebrated? Here see. Read the activity 1.6. Look at your textbook, activity 1.6. Read the letter from Pranav. Fill in the blanks in the letter. Okay. Here they are given one letter for you. Here was two blanks there. You have to fill. Read this total letter and after you have to write these two blanks. Okay children. See here how the Pranav will wrote the letter. Dear Rakesh. He is wrote for Rakesh. Dear Rakesh. Happy birthday to you. Thank you for the dash card that you sent me last week. Okay. So what type of card he sent? Birthday card. Okay. So you have to write in this blank birthday. Okay. You have to write in this blank birthday. Thank you for the birthday card that you sent me last week. Okay. This is a picture of my dash taken on my birthday. We all live in my brother's house. Okay. See here. This is a picture of my family. Okay. Here see Pranav's family. How many members there? Grandmother, father and grandfather, mother. And here Pranav, elder sister and baby, father's mother's wife, brother's wife and father's brother. So many members are there in their family. So these type of families we can call joint family. Okay. So joint families, they are having grandfather, grandmother, father, mother and children. So many members are there in family. That type of families we can call joint families. Okay. Nuclear families means Rakesh family, no Rakesh family. They are having father, mother and children. So these type of families we can call nuclear families. Okay. Now you know the difference. You have to write these two blanks children. Okay. Now you have to know the type of families, nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family means a family where only the parents and children live together in same place. Okay, that type of family we can call nuclear family. For example, Rakesh belongs to nuclear family. Okay, in the previous classes we see Rakesh family. Rakesh family they can belongs to the nuclear family because their parents only there in their family. And here Pranav's family we can see that is a joint family because Pranav's have grandparents, father, mother and children. They all live together. Okay, they can live in one place. Sometimes even uncles and aunts and cousins live in the same house. Some houses we are observing. So in the houses there are uncle, aunt and remaining cousins. They are living in one place. So Pranav's belongs to a joint family. Thus the families around us can be classified as a nuclear and joint families. The families they are divided into the two types. Nuclear family and joint family. What is the nuclear family? In this family they are having father, mother and children. Okay. So that type of family we can call nuclear family. Joint family means they are having grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, aunt, uncles, cousins. Okay. So many members are having in a joint family. Children, you know now Nuclear family and joint family. Can I revise in Telugu? Okay. చూడండి, ఫ్యామిలీస్ అనేవి 2 types డివైడ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. న్యూక్లియర్ ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. న్యూక్లియర్ ఫ్యామిలీ అంటే ఎవరెవరు ఉంటారు? మీ ఫాదర్, మీ మదర్ అండ్ మీరు, ఓకే, ఒక 4 members అలా ఉంటారు. సో అటువంటి ఫ్యామిలీస్ని న్యూక్లియర్ ఫ్యామిలీ అంటాం. జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ అంటే గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ అంకుల్స్, ఆంట్స్ అండ్ మీ కజిన్స్, ఓకే, ఇలా చాలా మంది కలిపి ఉంటే దాన్ని జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో ఎంతమంది అయితే ఫ్యామిలీలో ఉంటారో, లివ్ చేస్తున్నారో దాన్ని బట్టి బేస్ చేసుకొని ఫ్యామిలీస్ని 2 types డివైడ్ చేశారు. అది ఒకటి న్యూక్లియర్ ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. సో నౌ చిల్డ్రన్, మీరు ఈ యాక్టివిటీ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఈ లెటర్ ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ లెటర్ చదివి ఆ లెటర్ని మీరు బ్లాంక్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, ఆ బ్లాంక్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, కెన్ ఐ రీడ్ అగైన్? సో in this class I am revise what are the families we are having and Pranab letter and how can you help in your family. You have to write 2 activities are given, activity 1.5 and activity 1.6. Okay children, again I am reading this letter. Once see. Dear Rakesh, happy birthday to you. Thank you for the birthday card that you sent me last week. This is a picture of my family taken on my birthday. We all live in my daughter's house. I cut a chocolate cake and had a lot of fun with my family. With lots of love, Pranab. Okay children, so you have to write by activity 1.5 and activity 1.6. Do you understand children? Yes. So you have to complete this activity. If you have any doubt, you have to call my number and you have to complete the homeworks regularly. Okay children, bye.